Welcome to this demonstration of LynX Monitor version 3.0. LynX Monitor is a software solution to monitor your entire EnterpriseOne ecosystem. LynX Monitor allows you to define business-critical processes and events. This mission-critical software empowers your IT staff to proactively monitor your system, more easily identify and resolve issues, and enhance your internal SLA. LynX Monitor also collects valuable statistics that can be used to measure how well your system is performing. This latest version of LynX Monitor extends monitoring capabilities to all servers on all supported platforms in your EnterpriseOne environment, as well as other mission-critical servers in your organization. LynX Monitor provides a single interface to monitor your EnterpriseOne and non-EnterpriseOne servers. The system is agentless, so you don't have to install agents on individual servers. LynX Monitor supports all versions of EnterpriseOne. This product has three components: a server, a web-based console, and a repository database. Let's take a look at the monitoring capabilities of this product. Here is the LynX Monitor web-based console. The console is used to view alerts and stats and to configure the system. Under Administrative Tasks, you will configure operators, servers, and server monitors. All monitors may be set up to email an alert to an operator when an admin-defined situation arises or a threshold is met. Alerts can also be logged to a dedicated Windows event log. The event log feature allows you to integrate LynX Monitor with other monitoring systems like Microsoft System Center Manager, Nagios, or SolarWinds. All monitors are associated with a server. Servers and monitors can be activated and deactivated at any time without restarting the monitoring service. You can also configure schedules for a server or for a specific monitor. This allows you to define maintenance windows when you don't want a server or a monitor to run. In this example, I'm configuring this server to be excluded from monitoring on Saturdays between 7 p.m. and 11 p.m. Here is a list of available monitors. For the purpose of this demo, I will focus solely on monitors specific to an EnterpriseOne environment. Database Connectivity Monitor checks to see if your EnterpriseOne database is up and accessible. You can also configure timeout thresholds for queries and choose whether to temporarily stop monitoring a server if the database connectivity fails. Report monitors allow you to define wait and process thresholds for reports. Configuration is specific to an environment, report, and version. You can also configure the monitor to send an alert if the report ends in error. The alert produced from this monitor contains all the information that pertains to the job. You can also monitor scheduled reports using scheduled report monitors. Scheduled Report Monitor allows you to set up expected start and end times for scheduled reports. If a critical scheduled report does not start or complete by the expected time, the designated operator will receive an alert. Queue Monitor allows you to configure thresholds for the maximum number of jobs that should be waiting in a specific queue. You can also configure thresholds for maximum number of jobs per user, and then lower a user's job priority automatically when that threshold is reached. This feature optimizes jobs on the system without manual intervention. Subsystem Monitor monitors your subsystem jobs. It alerts you when the subsystem job is not running or when the unprocessed job count exceeds the configured threshold. EnterpriseOne logs provide useful information when a problem occurs. Sometimes it's the only source to troubleshoot a problem. File Monitor allows you to consolidate and analyze logs from all servers. You can also configure it to delete files older than a certain number of days. This keeps the log information manageable and conserves disk space. Optionally, you can monitor files for certain keywords and send alert when those keywords are found. Keywords can include regular expressions as well. Alerts produced from this monitor include the source of the file and a portion of the file's data leading up to the line that contains the keyword. WebApp Monitor allows you to monitor any HTML-based web application, including EnterpriseOne. For example, you can configure it to log into EnterpriseOne, open an application, and then sign off. If the monitor is not able to navigate to a web page, or if the expected content is not on a web page, an alert will be sent. The monitor can be configured to attach a screenshot of the web page. The screenshot is attached to the alert email. It can also be accessed from Web App Stats. This gives you unprecedented monitoring capability. This powerful monitoring software is sold as a monthly subscription, and pricing is dependent upon the number of servers you need to monitor. Alternately, an unlimited plan may be available. For more information, please visit our website at www.alias.com. That's AELLIUS.com, and use our contact page to reach a product specialist. Thank you for your time.